Hello, my name is Azizul Hakim, and this is my backend project titled Digital Wallet API, built using Express.js, MongoDB, Mongoose, and TypeScript. It is inspired to my platform like Bkash, Nagad, polling user, agent, and admin to manage digital transaction security. And the folder structure overview let me quick walk you through the project structure, navigate the code editor folder and explain registration, login, JWT setup, and user agent, admin, model, and logic. Model wallet creation, blocking, operation, and model transaction, send, withdraw, and logs. Middleware, error handler, out rule operation, config, database connection, and env setup, utility helper for token, password, hash, etc. app.ts connection all module with Express. Authflow show registration, postman registration, agent wallet true education, um, login, WTC, as a postman authentication header, bear token, explain rule base, uh, route protection, middleware. User features, uh, add balance, add withdraw account, uh, transfer to author user, and view wallet balance, and see transaction history, all money movements to transaction. If any set fails, the operation is to roll back. Agent feature, add money to any user wallet, with withdraw from user wallet, view commission if implement. Agent can only operate if approved. This can be managed by admin. Admin feature, all list user, view agent, block and unblock wallet, approve and suspend agent, also view all system wide transaction, transaction system agent designed. Every transaction has type, send, add, withdraw, amount, initiator, receipt, and structure. Wallet balance are updated using MongoDB session for consistency, and show part of transaction model and wallet logic, um, used to base code editor. Testing overview, হচ্ছে um, logging as a user agent admin, use uh, WTC token in each roles by um, re restricted route হচ্ছে expected if you not all হচ্ছে attempt invalid operation হচ্ছে e.g. over uh, over without block and wallet responsible include structure code error message, all validation as focus. আচ্ছা Redmi Postman, Redmi file projection overview, setup roles, আচ্ছা mentions environment setup .env, show Postman collection or export file, or show project JSON script dot ban dev build. হচ্ছে optional future improvements, হচ্ছে transaction fee, agent commission, wallet block logic, error handling, role based হচ্ছে architecture of হচ্ছে scalability, হচ্ছে war of yeah wrap up. There was a quick demo of my digital wallet API. You can find the source code, Redmi and Postman collection in the Git repository. Thank you.